Guys, welcome back. It's Johnson-Dixon and I'll be showing you guys how to submit your assignments. Now, if the teacher sent the assignment in a text format, you click here at share with your class and you'd press on the button that says add. You tap on file and then it'll take you here to browse. Then you're going to press browse and it's going to take you directly to your documents. Then normally as you take the picture, you'd see it would be saved in documents and you can see the picture of what you have saved. And I have saved a poster. So I'm going to press open. And now guys, I have uploaded the file. And to post these files on Google Classroom, you'd have to type something to the teacher. So I would say, good day, Mr. Good day, Mr. Mark Zowell. This is the assignment that you sent me, and then you'd end that sentence and you'd press post, and then you have posted your assignment. In part 2 I will show you how to upload it from your phone to the laptop. See you later, guys.